Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make Banga Stew. Igbo people call it Ofe Akwu. So I have red bell pepper, fresh tomato, onions. This one is a spice, onions here. So I'm going to blend this. Exception of this, I'll blend this. This is scent leaf, salt. I have thyme, curry, ginger powder, garlic powder, and goat meat spice. Here I have crayfish. I've already washed it and blended it. So this is the banga. That is the banga I'm going to use. We all know how to obtain banga, how to extract the oil. So this is the protein I'm going to use. I'm using goat meat. I have here the cow skin. This one is cow skin. This one is the goat towel. That's what we call here from the goat. This is the goat meat. So I'll add the spices. Then the salt. I want to add little water inside. Then I'll add the oziza, the oleyak. So I'll cover it, then I'll set it on heat. So I'm going to blend this one, but it's going to be rough blender, kind of chopping it. I finished blending the pepper mix. I finished slicing the scent leaf. So I want to add the banga now into the goat meat pot. The rice is on heat. So I'm going to add it this way. So you can see it's going to be delicious. So the next thing I'm going to add is a crayfish. So this is the crayfish. I'll add 2 spoons. The rice is done. So you can see this is the rice here, the white rice. Then I'll allow it to boil. I'm going to add the pepper mix now. That is the Banga Stew. Then I'll let it to boil. Hello everyone, this is the outcome of the Banga Stew with white rice. As you can see, I'm going to enjoy it. The rice is so delicious. I wish you can try out. So this is the outcome of the rice. It came out so well, so delicious. So this is the pot. You stew inside the pot. Just practice it. Prepare it for yourself or for your family. It's not every time you are going on normal rice and stew. Try another test. It tastes very well. So thank you so much for watching. Just subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Don't just watch and go. Watch and stay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.